Let's talk about Helium, guys. But before I get to the video, guys, got to do YouTube stuff. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. Help me get to my goal so we get this channel bigger, get more viewers. So, guys, subscribe. Now let's begin. So Helium right now, guys, is ranked number 46, and its ticker is HNT. Currently at $20.32 with a market cap of $2.2 billion. But before trading, counting this, what is Helium? Helium is a decentralized blockchain-powered network of Internet of Things, IoT devices. It was launched in July 2019. The Helium main network allows low-powered wireless devices to communicate with each other and send data across network of nodes. Now, nodes come in the form of so-called hotspots. But you guys want to read more about it? Also, check out the front page. I will have a link below. But let's check out the markets. Where can you guys trade on all of this stuff? So they're in Binance, Get.io, FTX, KuCoin, KuCoin, Bybit, Crypto.com, Wazer X, Toko Crypto, Dax. So those are the big ones because it's in the top 100. So it's pretty much going to go on every single platform, guys. And let's see the price rating. I did not find a pricing score. I did also Google it. But if you guys find one when it comes to Helium, let me know. Post it in your guys' comment box down there. Let the community know if there is one or not. But let's move on to the news. CoinMarketCap news, guys. There's a decentralized wireless network. Helium raised $200 million report. Huge news, came out 6 days ago. So if you guys want to read it, guys, I'll have this link below. Guys, check it out. But let's check out the website. This is helium.com. So if you want to learn about mining, staking, and the use, check that out. Also, if you want to read their white paper, also, I would recommend you guys reading it. Here is information about mining. You want to learn more about it. If you want to learn more about the use, just all around when it comes to crypto. Because I tell you, like, it's interesting that I meet a lot of people who hit me up in my on my website or email me, and a lot of these people are investing into cryptos and they don't know what it's about. They don't know why or what news is coming up for. So that's how I break down the video this way, so you guys can know what it is, price, what markets, and some of the basics and how I break down cryptos too. This is the way I look at cryptos. So let's check out this. Also, check out the Twitter page, guys. It has 153,000 followers. You guys want some news articles? Please check out the Twitter page. Also, follow me on Twitter, Andre McClendon. I talk a lot about political stuff and also trading and economy stuff, but I lean more to the political side because I can't really post that stuff for YouTube reasons. But, guys, let's get to that price prediction. So I was looking at this price prediction, guys, and you might be surprised, but for me, guys, I do see it not maintaining its current price. And we're on the daily, okay? Let's get down right here. Alright, cool. So here we are with this price right here. So on the daily, it's looking like that it hits the support zone. And a lot of buyers are typically in there, and that's why it's kind of slowing down. But I don't think it's going to hold. And if it is going to hold, it's probably short term. It might do a few more candles, basically a day. But it might hit this zone here, and that's where I'm ultimately looking at doing the price prediction to, guys. This zone here. So it is a little bit lower. So if you guys are looking for a higher price, that's when I do see it going lower. Here you go. So my price prediction just off the bat is $17.06. Let's say that top part right there. But let's see what it could do once it hits that zone, okay? So once it hits that zone, it can do what I think the majority of people want. They want to place a buy limit here, so when it does hit that price, it can pop back up and start the new trend. But there's a good possibility that it might pop back up or break right through and hit down lower. That's a good possibility since it's already been shorting for so many months as it's currently going. So for me, what do I like? I like price predictions. I like price alerts. So my first price alert will be at $17.05. What the price prediction is, $17.05. If it does wick down, I want to watch it. I want to be aware of what it's doing because I don't want to get stopped out because I just trade. I don't hodl very often or just do market positions without stops. What I want it to do is that if there is a stop, or I want to make sure it's below or after that, so if it does wick down, I don't get stopped out and they just take the money. And I think that's what the big players are thinking. Everyone's going to do buy limit here. It's going to go down, take out their stops, they get knocked out, and then they can run it back up and then hit it down back lower. get to see the perspective of the bigger players and what possibly could happen. So if that does happen, I want to be aware so I can get on a buy stop or market entry if it closes above this high and builds structure after that. I want to see evidence of what's happening if it builds up a high above this, which is 24 cents. So first price prediction, if it goes down here and builds some market structure, and then I can probably go a little bit lower than this, but I need to see market structure first, but to see what the orders are and see what big players are entering. But guys, that's my analysis. If you have any question or comments, please let me know. But let's head to my website. So guys, I've been updating my website, adding different indicators, adding statistical data on here if you're looking for precious metals and stuff like that. Looking for different statistics, economy. I'm adding all in there so we can all read more and learn more about it for different countries and stuff. But once it's done, I'll let you guys know. Also, looking for to start my trading program, my mentorship, just let me know. We had that conversation if it's for you or not for you. Also, if you're looking for indicators for MetaTrader 4 or 5, just let me know because I have some of them that I back tested. If you're looking for indicators outside of my website, check out these 3 links down here. Okay? If you're looking for an EA custom indicator or trading robot, just let me know. I create them, and if we can talk about the you just fill out the information and we can talk about how I do it and how we can work together for it. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Help me get to my 2,000 subscribers on my channel. I'm almost at 1.3, so let's get there, guys. I'll see you.